Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Tenable Nessus 10.10.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Google or any search engine, then search for download Nessus. Then click on this Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. Then we have to register for activation code. See, you are registering for a 1 year Nessus Essential license. Okay, provide the first name, last name, then provide the email ID. Then if you want to receive updates from the Tenable, you have to select this checkbox. Otherwise, unselect it and click on get started. See here, thank you for registering Nessus Essentials. Check your email for activation code. See, once we restart, see we are able to click on download. See, click on download Nessus. So click on download. Then see here the latest release is 10.10.0. Okay, then select the operating system. See here we have the Linux. We have the versions from 16 to 24.04. So select it. Then click on download. Then read the license agreement. Then click on I agree. See, download started and its size is about 68 megabytes. And it is Debian package. See, download is completed. It is about 65 megabytes. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. LS. See here we have the Nessus Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then give Nessus. Press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. You can start Nessus scanner by typing this command, or I will show you how to start. Okay, and then we have to connect by using this HTTPS, then hostname or IP of the machine, then port number 8834. Okay, first we will try whether we will be able to connect or not. HTTPS, then // See here, this is the hostname. Even if you don't know, just give hostname, or you can give IP of the machine. See, you can give IP of the machine. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, so I'm going to give this host name, or you can give loopback IP. Loopback IP or localhost, anything is fine. Then port number 8834. Hit enter. See, unable to connect. Okay, so verify the status of the Nessus D. Sudo systemctl status Nessus D. Nessus D is the name of the Nessus. Okay, see, it is installed but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start Nessus D. We have successfully started. Verify the status. See, we have started. Q to quit. Now reload this page. See, warning, potential security risk ahead. Click on advanced. Then click on accept the risk and continue. See, it is initializing. See, welcome to Nessus. You can click settings to configure Nessus proxy, plugin feed and encryption password settings before you start the installation. So, or you can select register offline to configure an offline installation. I am going to configure online, so click on continue. Don't select this register offline. Click on continue. Then select an option to get started. So I am going to use this start a trial Nessus expert. Then click on continue. See, to start Nessus expert trial, please provide your business email address or already have activation code. Then skip this step to enter it manually. See, we have already registered. We have already registered activation code. So click on skip. Now we have to provide the activation code that we have received to the email. See here, I have received the activation code. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Enter the activation code. This is not same for you. Then click on continue. See, this is the license information. Click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. I'm giving username as Nessus admin. Then set the password for this user. Then remember this username and password. Later we need this username and password to log in. Click on submit. See, setup complete. See, now it is downloading plugins. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. See, plugins download completed. Now click on this about. Then see here overview. See, compiling plugins. Okay. In the overview, see here version number, license host 0 of 16 used, last updated, expiration date, plugin set information, activation code and others. Even if you go to license utilization, see here you have used 0 of 16 licensed IP addresses. Addresses will no longer count against your license 90 days after their last scan. Then software update. See, automatic updates, update all components, update plugins, or if you don't want automate, you have to select this disabled. Okay, so if you select any one of the above two, then you have to select the update frequency, daily, weekly or monthly. Then you have to provide the update server. Okay, it is up to you. Then you have to click on save. Then save. Then go to plugin detail locally. If you want to enable, you can select this checkbox. Then you have to fill all these details. Okay. Then events. See, these are the events happening. Okay. Then see here in the left side we have the advanced. In the advanced, see here we have the scanning, logging, performance, security, miscellaneous options. Okay. Even if you go to proxy server, you have to provide all the details. SMTP server, custom CA. Okay. This is the certification. Then password management. See, these are the constraints. Scanner health. See, this is the information like network or alerts. Okay. Then notifications. We haven't configured. See, these are the notifications. Okay. Now if you want to change the password, click on this my account. Then provide the current password and new password. If you want to provide email, you can provide here. This is the user full name. You can provide your own. Okay. And if you want to sign out, click on this button. Then click on sign out. Okay. The last option that I want to show you is go to the terminal. See, service is started. You will see what will happen if you stop this service. Sudo systemctl stop Nessus D. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now reload this one. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, start it again. We have started. Verify the status. See, Nessus D is running. Now reload this page. Now provide the username. See here we have used hostname. We can also use new tab. Then localhost https://localhost port number 8834. https. Hit enter. See, we got the same. Go to advanced. Then click on accept the risk and continue. See, you got the login page. The other one is by using loopback IP. https 127.0.0.1:8834. See, you got the same. Accept the risk and continue. See, you got the login page. The other way is by using IP. Go to quit ifconfig. Copy it. https:// paste the IP :8834. Hit enter. Click on advanced. Then click on accept the risk and continue. See, you got the login page. Okay. If you want to restart Nessus D, Control A, sudo systemctl restart Nessus D. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. Okay. Go to quit ls. This file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed Nessus 10.10.0. Remove it. rm Nessus ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure Tenable Nessus 10.10.0 on Ubuntu 24.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.